Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Eldersburg local and long-distance movers near me. Planning a long-distance move is never easy, but 3 movers can simplify the moving process and help move to your new home with less stress. We have helped innumerable clients move from Eldersburg to other cities in Maryland, neighboring states, and across the entire country. We always treat you and your things with the care and respect that you deserve. Best of all, we even offer full-service moving. That means we can pack up your household goods for you in Eldersburg, move them to your new home, and unload and unpack them to help you set up your new home in less time. If you're moving across town, or even just a few blocks away, our local movers have you covered. You don't have to worry about renting a truck and hauling your stuff on your own in Eldersburg. Our local movers will take care of everything for you. We provide affordable and transparent rates, with no hidden fees or other surprises. We also have guaranteed arrival windows and moving dates, so you don't have to worry about being left without the local movers you need in Eldersburg. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eldersburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.